What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video, where in today's video we're going to be trying the hot honey chicken tenders from Publix, and it looked really good when I got it, so I'm expecting this to be very good. I mean, let me just show y'all. This looks very good, right? I'm super excited to try it, and it smells really good too. Honestly, I can't wait to try it, so let's just go ahead and give it a taste. That's really good. I really like the nice combination of flavors, and I really like all the flavors, like the sweet honey with whatever the spicy thing is. And honestly, I think I really liked it. And let's try some of these potato wedges here. As you can see, this one is super thin. Well, let's see how that is. Pretty good too. It's pretty well seasoned, and it's very crispy and has a lot of flavor. I'm gonna try it with some of the mashed potatoes right here. That's also very good. I'm also gonna try it with this buffalo sauce. That's the best one I've tried with this thing yet. So overall, I really liked it, and it was really good, and I for sure will be trying this again. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. And also, make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe.